back from the brink. In the run-up to Christmas, the 13 people who work at this bakery feared for their jobs. A month later, the Great Northern Bakehouse is eyeing a brighter future.
It was really difficult. We had to just take every day as it came. I was obviously concerned about the staff, but also the customers that we supply, but things are really looking up now.
With the uncertainty of the business, and we're trying to be as passionate as possible about what we're doing, but it's hard when you've got that uncertainty hanging over you.
Based in Darlington, the bakery supplies restaurants and hotels across North Yorkshire and the North East. Under the name Olivia's Artisan Foods, it hit cash flow problems after expanding too quickly, and the company folded in December. But now a group of investors has moved quickly to save the jobs and create a new company called the Great Northern Bakehouse.
I'm very enthusiastic about investing in this bakery. I like the prospects for it, I like the bread that they produce and the other produce, and I think the staff are absolutely first class, and we're going to make it a great success.
The bakery already offers a wide range of craft artisan breads and cakes for the wholesale market, and it will be adding speciality products further down the line.
We're passionate about what we do, and now the uncertainty's out the way, we could carry on making traditional breads without the preservatives or chemicals.
With one Michelin-starred restaurant already on its books, the Great Northern Bakehouse will focus on the quality end of the wholesale market, and later this year it plans to start deliveries to the Leeds and Harrogate areas.